Welcome to another episode of Mechanics on Duty. Today this car usually has a metal shield, silver looking metal shield underneath that's missing. But anyways, we're gonna drain the oil, and this is the drain plug right here. This is the drain plug. You can follow this sign here, it points right at it. And also there's an engine oil filter on this side. So we're gonna drain the oil and then change the oil filter, step by step. Okay, so you're gonna take number 17mm socket, loosen that drain plug. Make sure you have a drain bucket to catch the old oil. And then remove the drain bolt. Keep it down. And there you can see all the old oil coming out. It's gonna take good 5 to 7, maybe 8 minutes to completely drain that oil. And you're gonna come right back once the oil is finished draining. Okay, once the oil is finished draining, you can put the drain bolt back. You take the 17mm socket with the ratchet, hand tighten it so it's just enough snugged in. After that, we're gonna move on to the oil filter. You're gonna take the oil filter wrench, turn the oil filter loose, get your drain bucket under it, and slowly take off the filter. It has oil in it, so you gotta be careful. Like always, make sure this oil filter seal comes down with oil filter. So if you look back up, there's no seal there. That's a good sign. Then you take a little bit of oil. Make sure you put it on the new filter seal. And put the filter back in hand tight. And make sure you wipe off all the excess oil so it's nice and dry. And then we're ready to bring the car down and put the new oil in. Now we're gonna remove the cap to put the oil in. And on the cap you will see the oil number 0W20. That's the oil you want to put in the car. You remove the cap, use a funnel. So this customer brought his own oil. He brought Mobil 1 synthetic 020. That's what the car takes. And this engine, 4-cylinder, it takes 4.5 quarts of oil. So we're gonna put 4.5. Then we'll pull out the dipstick and check it. done, make sure you put the cap on nice and tight. And then we're going to go inside the car and reset the maintenance light. For that, let's check the oil level. It's up to level, so it's good. Okay, now we're going to reset the oil light. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn the key to accessory. Wait till the screen there illuminates. Once it's on, you press OK using this menu button. After that, you're going to use this menu button. First, you press the settings. Once you're in the settings, you're going to go into vehicle settings. And then you're going to turn this knob to scroll all the way down to maintenance info. Press enter and then press enter again. Press enter again, then you select reset oil light, and that should bring it back to 100%. And that's how you do oil change and a reset light on a 2015 Honda Accord.